This is exercise 1.5, geometric construction 2. In this exercise, you're going to construct an equilateral triangle on a given side, to construct an isosceles triangle given the base and altitude, to construct a triangle given the three sides. Okay, to begin, we've lined up the existing drawing with the T-square and taped the sheet down so that the existing drawing is lined up with the T-square. I've already written my name on there using light construction lines and using correct lettering. Okay, to begin, we're going to construct the equilateral triangle on a given side. Okay, there are instructions. Let the AB be the given side with centre A and radius AB, so we need our compass. Okay, so with centre A and radius AB. So we're going to set it to the full distance AB. Okay, there we go. Describe an arc. So just draw an arc very lightly up the top. Now with centre B and the same radius, so now the centre being B, same radius, describe an arc to intersect the first point at C. There it is, we have our intersection point. Join AC and BC. Using the set square, we can line up our sides now. Our points. And in a firm outline stroke, we make a nice clean line between those points, and that is point C. Okay, so that is an equilateral triangle. All of those sides are equal. To construct an isosceles triangle, given the base and altitude, now here is the given base, AB, and lowercase a is the altitude. First, we need to bisect AB by the perpendicular line EF. So we're going to bisect this line. Same principle as in exercise 1.4, where you put the compass on one end of the line, set the compass to greater than half, so about there is fine. Draw a short arc above and below the line, nice and light. Let A be the centre point now. Again, nice light arc above and below the line AB. Joining those intersection points will bisect that line. Nice light line there. Now we're going to, along that line, that bisecting line, we're going to transfer the height of this isosceles triangle. So we can do this a few ways. We could measure, but since we're doing some compass work, we can set a compass to one end of the line and to the full length of A. Set our compass at the base point here and mark the height for this triangle. Okay, now we can join up point D, same. You'll notice that this isosceles triangle is slightly shorter than the example above. This is in a nice firm outline. There we go. And there is your isosceles triangle. The last one, to construct a triangle given the three sides. So we've got three sides. This one's a little bit trickier. First, we need to start with a base. So we're going to really lightly create a baseline. So nice and long, so we've got something to work with. Now we're going to mark one end, and that can be our starting point. So anywhere along this side. Okay, so I've marked a point there, and that can be point A. So that's our starting point. Now we're going to transfer the length of side lowercase a. So we can use again our compass, set it to the length of A. Don't mind the gap if there is one on your drawing as there is on mine. Okay, so we're going to set it to the full length. Okay, Now with uppercase A as my centre point, I'm going to mark that distance. Okay, so now we have point B. Now we're going to we can find distance C or B. We'll go for B since it's next along. We'll do it in a sequence. So we'll set our compass to length B. There's the distance, making sure that's accurate. Okay, describe a small arc. So that arc will be equal distance from that point all the way along. We just need to find out where along this arc it's going to meet at C, given that distance. Okay, so the next distance we need to find is the length C, which is given here. So we'll set our compass to that length. There's length C. We can put it at point A because we know that that's the distance that we're trying to transfer. And there we've transferred C along there, we've transferred B to there, and we've found the final point of our triangle, which we can now join up. And that concludes the exercise 1.5, Geometric Construction 2. Make sure you firm in the outline of your triangle to make it clear what your intended outcome is. And there it is, finished.